One of the most common questions I get asked is how to take supplements. Are they taken before meals, with meals, after meals? It's going to depend a lot on the supplement. If you're talking about taking an herb, in most cases herbs are best taken on an empty stomach. This is because fats and proteins can slow or inhibit the absorption of many substances. So I prefer to have them taken on an empty stomach. There are certain exceptions though, like I wouldn't recommend taking a very hot cayenne pepper on an empty stomach. So there are going to be some exceptions to that rule. Amino acids need to be taken on an empty stomach as well. Amino acids compete for receptor sites if they share the same transport chain. Larger amino acids will block smaller ones from being absorbed. So when doing amino acid therapy where individual amino acids are being used to treat a certain condition, they need to be taken on an empty stomach at least 30 minutes before a meal. If you're talking about vitamins and minerals, in most cases this will be with meals. Vitamins are what they call coenzymes. Coenzymes require enzymes from food in order to function properly. So they need to be taken with food to function. Minerals are enhanced by the absorption of acids in food and by the stomach acid that is stimulated by the food that's ingested. So therefore minerals are absorbed better with food. Now there are certain exceptions, like in the case of magnesium. If you treat something like high blood pressure with magnesium, then it's best to take magnesium with very little food or no food so that you're not having a bunch of calcium antagonizing the magnesium. And then there's one other class, they're called digestive bitters. Digestive bitters are bitter tasting herbs used to stimulate stomach acid, bile secretion, pancreatic enzymes. Those can be taken pretty much any time. They can be taken right before a meal, during a meal, or after a meal. Generally I do them slightly right before the meal because the yellow color from the berberine and a lot of the formulas will turn the tongue bright yellow, and the food helps get rid of that and the taste.